Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of the triangle and its properties. This is 6th question of its exercise 6.5. So the question says that angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. So हमें find out करना है कौन सा statement true है. So in triangle PQR, sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle P plus angle Q हमें given है 25 degree, angle R given है 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is equal to, इन्हें हम इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, 180 degree minus 25 plus 65 is equal to 90. So angle P is equal to 90 degree. So angle P हो जाएगा हमारे पास 90 degree and opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. So QR हो जाएगा हमारे पास hypotenuse. So ये 90 degree है angle P. So ये एक right angle triangle हो गया, right angle triangle हो गया है. So in right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square means QR square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So हमारा स्टेटमेंट हो जाएगा QR square is equal to PQ square plus RP square. Statement second is true. Thank you.